Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame just kept on ranging in this week, didn't really move much on a certain direction. It kept on ranging in between this high and this low and closed the week with a bearish candle looking like this after the indecisive candle that it closed with on the previous week. Now GBPJPY has this major key zone which it needs to make a breakout of on a weekly time frame point of view for GBPJPY to continue pushing down to retest this key level over here, which is the most obvious key level as you can see. And also it needs to make a breakout of this major key zone for GBPJPY to continue pushing to retest any of this key zone or probably to make a new higher high on a higher time frame point of view. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can see how GBPJPY is also respecting an uptrend line while moving in between this key zone to like this key zone, like while ranging. So if GBPJPY is to make a breakout of this key zone to continue pushing up, creating a new higher high or to retest these key zones, then it needs to respect this uptrend line over here, which has like over 3 retests over here. So however, if it makes a breakout of this uptrend line, which we're gonna be sure of, if it makes a break and close below this key level and makes even a break and close below this key zone, then we'll be sure of that GBPJPY made a breakout of this uptrend line over here, and that might lead a break and close below this key zone, might lead GBPJPY to continue pushing to retest this key level over here. And also if that happens, you can also like adjust this uptrend channel that GBPJPY is currently respecting like this way. As you can see, if it comes all the way down to make a retest on this key level, then you can adjust this uptrend channel as well, and GBPJPY might continue to push up after making a retest to this key level. Or if it continues to push up from here, then the uptrend channel might remain like this. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then you can pretty much see the same key zones and key levels that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame like that. And now you can see this ranging phase as well. So my anticipation for the upcoming week is that if GBPJPY makes a break and close below this key level, making a breakout of this low, then you can look for trace on the short side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this previous low, or better yet on this key zone over here. However, if it makes a break and close even above this key zone and proceeds to make a breakout of this previous low, then as you can see, there's like this clean candle over here all the way to make a retest on this key level. As you can see, this multiple major retest which you saw on the daily time frame as well. So that's where GBPJPY might head if it even makes a break and close below this key zone. And similarly, if GBPJPY instead of coming all the way down to make a retest on this key level, if it finds strong support over here, and while retesting this key zone, if it finds support over here and continues to form higher lows and makes a breakout of this key level with further bullish momentum, then it might come all the way up to make a retest on this key zone over here, which you saw on the daily time frame right around here. And if it makes a break and close above that key zone with further bullish momentum, then you can go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame and then look for certain structure to be formed over here, and then you can look for further trace on the breakout of that structure while GBPJPY is expecting a newly formed uptrend line on a shorter time frame in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to make a retest on this key zone. And if it makes a breakout of this key zone, then all the way up to make a retest on this key zone on the upcoming week. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can always contact me on Instagram or Telegram from the links in the video description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.